Cycling is my hobby, and it has become the most defining part of my life because it is not merely about riding a bike, it is a journey into the world of science and self discovery, where every pedal stroke teaches me something new about physics and human biology. I remember the first time I climbed a steep hill and my legs were burning, which I later learned was due to the buildup of lactate in my muscles, a byproduct of anaerobic metabolism when my body could not get enough oxygen fast enough. But pushing through that pain taught me mental resilience and expanded my physical limits, showing me that the human body is an adaptation machine designed to get stronger under stress from a scientific perspective. The bicycle is a marvel of engineering, being the most efficient vehicle ever created, converting up to 90% of human energy into motion, which is far superior to any car engine and understanding aerodynamics. Has changed how I ride because I know that air resistance or drag is the biggest force working against me, increasing exponentially as I speed up. So I tuck my body low to slice through the wind, minimizing my surface area and conserving watts of power. The gyroscopic effect of the spinning wheels creates stability, proving that as long as I keep moving forward, I will not fall, which is a profound lesson for life itself beyond the physics. There is the biological magic of neurochemistry because after a long ride, my brain releases endorphins and serotonin, which are natural mood elevators that create a state of euphoria known as the cyclist's high, effectively reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, and making me feel at peace with the world. I also take pride in the environmental impact because every mile I ride is a mile without carbon emissions, helping to reduce the greenhouse effect and protect our planet for future generations. So when I am out there on the open road, feeling the wind and hearing the hum of the tires, I know that cycling is more than just exercise. It is a beautiful blend of mechanics, health, and freedom that keeps my heart beating strong and my spirit soaring high.
Speak with peace.